Hello students, welcome back. This video we are going to learn about Heron's formula. So we'll be solving all the questions from chapter 12. First video we'll be doing exercise 12.1. So let us know what this Heron's formula is actually. You all have done area of triangle in your previous grades. Area of triangle. If you all remember, the formula is half into base into height. Meaning you have a triangle, let's say ABC. This is the base. Corresponding to this base BC, I have a height, means the altitude, which is AD. So I can say that half into base is BC into height is AD. So these dimensions should be given to you. Let's say BC is given as 6 centimeter, AD as 4 centimeter. So what will be the area? BC is 6, AD as 4. So you can solve it by cancelling. So it's 12 centimeter square. That's the area of the triangle formula when you have the base given of the triangle and the corresponding altitude. Altitude is always corresponding to the base. If you consider this as the base, altitude should be this, let's say BE. If you consider AB as the base, the altitude should be, let's say CF. Fine. This was the formula when base and height were given. Now suppose in a triangle you are given all three sides. Now you have a triangle in which all the three sides are given to you, let's say ABC, then how will you calculate the area of the triangle? You do not have the altitude. So, there is a formula called as Heron's formula or Hero formula, which is there. So, how we will use this formula, and the formula is this thing. It's S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, all product. Now, who has given this formula? This formula, it was given by a person named Heron. He was there in Egypt and he has derived this formula and gave this formula. So let's see what this S is over here. This S is semi-perimeter. This is called the semi-perimeter of the triangle. You all know what a perimeter is, yes? Perimeter is sum of all sides. So semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter. Okay, it's half of perimeter. So we know what is perimeter A plus B plus C, sum of all the sides, divided by 2 you will get S. Now you need to substitute these over here to get the area of this triangle. Fine. You have to substitute the value of S, the value of A, B, C given and simplify this root. That's the area of the triangle formula when the three sides are given to you. So we are going to use this formula in the chapter and we are going to solve all the questions. So let's start doing the problems. Let's move to exercise 12.1, question number 1. It says that a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the side A. So you have a board which is in the form of an equilateral triangle. So the sides are A, because in an equilateral triangle all the sides are same. We need to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So first part says using the variables only, let's derive the a formula for an equilateral triangle. I know what is semi-perimeter over here. It's A plus A by 2, which is what? 3A by 2. Let's use the formula, which is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Let's substitute the values. S is 3A by 2. Here also S is 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A, and this is also 3A by 2 minus A because all the sides are A only. A, B, C all are A. So let us solve it. What will I get? 3A by 2. So when you solve it, 3A minus, you will take LCM, so it will become 2A. I'll solve it over here. How I am doing it? You will take LCM because it's 1, so by 2. So 2 into 1, the LCM is 2 only. So that's 3A minus 2A, which is going to be A by 2. Clear? So this I'm writing as A by 2. This also A by 2. This also A by 2. So now when you have to find the square out, you look for pairs. Am I right? We always look for pairs. So I have pairs here. This is one of the pair A by 2. I can take it out. 1 of the again pair a by 2, I can take that also out. Remaining inside is only this root 3. So that's root 3 left over here. So what do I get over here? It's root 3 I'm writing first, then a square into a square, 2 into 2, 4. So that's the formula for equilateral triangle area. So this is also the area of an equilateral triangle. Fine. Which is, I'll write it again, root 3 a square by 4. Clear, students? No doubt over here. Now they're saying you have the you have the perimeter given for the triangle. Now use this formula and found out the area of this signal board. Let's do that. Now perimeter is given. You know that perimeter of an equilateral triangle is what? Of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side, which is here 3 into a. And perimeter is given as 180 centimeter is 3a. So I'll get from here a is equals to 180 divided by 3, which is 60 centimeter. I got the side as 60 centimeter. Now let's find the area. So area of the signal board will be equals to root 3 by 4 a square. So 60 into 60. Clear? It's root 3 by 4 into a square. So it will be this thing. So let's cancel it out. And what answer we will be getting after cancelling it out? It will be cancelled by 4. 4 ones are 4, 5. So what is 15 into 6? It's 90. So the answer comes out to be 900 root 3 centimeter square. So that's my answer coming out to be. So here I am getting two answers. One is the area of this equilateral triangle. One is the area of this signal board. I hope it's clear, students. Fine. Now can I move to the next question? Let's move to that question. Let's read it first. We have a triangular side walls of a flyover. This is the triangular side wall of a flyover. It is being used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are given as 122, 120 meter, 22 meter. The advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of the walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? I hope the question is clear that you have to use only one wall, not both the walls. Okay, only one of the wall is being used. Fine. And the dimensions are it's 120 meter, that's 22 meter, and that's 122 meter. Only this is being used for 3 months only. The rent here is given for the whole year, means for 12 months it's given. We need to use it only for 3 months and calculate the rent, how much it has to pay. So to calculate the rent, first we need the area of this triangle. Okay. Let us first calculate the area of the triangle. So first we need is S. We'll use again Heron's formula because only the sides are given to us. Okay, students, because we do not know this is a 90-degree angle exactly over here. Otherwise, we would have used half into base into height also. But let's use Heron's formula only. Okay, so S is 120 plus 122 plus 22 divided by 2. So how much are we going to get over here? This is 2 to 4 and then 6 and then 2 by 2, which is how much? 132 centimeter. That's your S. Let's find the area. Area formula again is the same. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what is S? 132. 132 minus 120. 132 minus 122. 132 minus 22. So let us calculate. What are we going to get over here? 132 minus 120 is 212. Here it is 10 and this much is how much? 0, 1, 1. Now, one thing I'll tell you a shortcut, do not multiply these values. When you multiply these values, it will become a little complicated to solve. Better you try to make factors in which you will get pairs. Okay, so 132 actually is 11 into 12, 12, 10. This also I can say 11 into 10. Okay. I look for pairs. 12, one pair we have. For 10 also we have a pair. For 11 also we have a pair. So whenever you have pairs, you can take a single number from them because it's a square root. Okay, so what will I get? 11 into 12 into 10. So my area is 1320 centimeter square. I hope this part is clear, students, how I calculated the area of the triangle. Now, I need to calculate the rent. Now, rent for 1 year is given to me. So, rent for 1 year for 1 meter square is how much? 5,000 rupees. This is for 1 meter square only and for 1 year, meaning it is given for 12 months. Okay, it's rupees 5,000. For 3 months, what will it be? We'll use unitary method here. So I'll divide it by 12 and multiply by 3. This is for 1 meter square still. Fine. So this is, let's cancel it out, 4. And what will you get? 5,000 by 4 is equals to how much? It's 1250 rupees. That's for 3 months, 1 meter square. Now for 1320 meter square and 3 months, what should be the rent? Sorry, this is meter square, students. I wrote meter or centimeter. Yeah, it's in meters, so I wrote it here also wrong. Here also wrong. Please correct it. Fine. So what will it be? It's 1250 multiplied by 1320 rupees. So you all multiply it on your own and see what the answer is, and it come out to be, let's multiply it, students, and get the answer. So 125 into 132 you do. 0, 0 you can put together here only. So 0, 1 carry over, so 5. 2 you put 0, so 15. 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6, 7, and then 3. That's 5. 2, 1. You add it up, it's 0, 0. 1 carry over, so that's 10, 15, 1, 6, 1. So it comes out to be 16500. So that much rupees. So how much is that if we say it's 16,50,000? That's the rent it has to pay for 3 months. Clear? Okay, students, any doubt over here? Fine, let's move to the next question now. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with the message, "Keep the park green and clean." If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 6 meter, 11 meter, you need to find the area of this painted color. So whenever we need to find the area, we have to use here 3 sides given. So what will we use again? So area formula will be same again, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Clear? Let's first calculate the semi-perimeter. So that's 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. So how much is that coming out to be? 2, 1 carry over, 32 by 2. So that's only 16 meters. So let's use it in the formula. Substitute. S is 16. Then 16 minus 15. Then 16 minus 11. 16 minus 6. 16 into, this is 1, this is 5, and this is how much? 10. 16 I know, I'll write it. It's this. And 10 is 10. Sorry, 10 is 5 into 2. 10 I'll write as 5 into 2. So that's 5 into 2. So look for the pairs. I have one pair here, one pair here. I can take them out. One you don't need to use because square root of 1 is 1 only. So 4 into 5 and root 2 is left over here. So that's 20 root 2 units. Let's check once clearly. Yeah, it's meter square. So that's the area to be painted. So area to be painted is how much? It's 20 root 2 meter square. Clear, students? Fine. I hope you people are getting now how to use the formula and how to calculate it. It's very easy. Try making pairs because if you multiply, it will become a little difficult to solve then. Not difficult, it will take a lot of more time, okay, to calculate. So now let's move to the next question. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are given and the perimeter is also given. So I hope that's very easy. If you know two sides, you know the perimeter, you can calculate the third side. Let's say I have this as 18, this as 10 centimeter, 18 centimeter. I need to find this third side. Okay, so I know perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of any triangle is equals to sum of three sides. Okay, So this is given as 42 centimeter. Let's this be 18 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus x. So this x comes out to be 42 minus 28 centimeter. So how much is this coming out to be? 42 minus 28 is 14 centimeter. That's the third side I'm getting. Okay. So we got the third side as 14 centimeter. Semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter. Perimeter I know 42 divided by 2 is 21 centimeter. Fine. Let's put it in the formula. So area of triangle will be, I'm again writing the formula, students, in every question, because when you solve a question in exam, you need to mention the formula that whenever you are using. Okay. So it's 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 10. The sequence can be any, you can take any side in any order. So that's 21. 21 minus 18 is 3. 21 minus 14 is 7. And then it is, how much is that? 11. Now let's start making pairs. I know this pair very well. What is this pair? That's 21 and this is also 21. So I can take it out. 21. 11 will be as it is. So 21 root 11 centimeter square is the required area of this triangle. Clear? What's the area of the triangle? That's 21 root 11 centimeter square. I hope this is also clear, students. Let's move to the next question. Now, this is also an easy question. You have the sides given in the ratio. So whenever we have the sides given in the ratio, we do how? We assume that let the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. And we know that perimeter is what? Perimeter is sum of all sides. And it is given as a 540 also. So let's add 12x plus 17x plus 25x. When you add it, it's 54x only. So 540. So what is the x coming out to be? 540 by 54. So x is 10. Now when my x is 10 coming out to be, what will be the sides? Sides are 12 into 10. That's 120 centimeter. Another side is 17 into 10, 170 centimeter, and then 25 into 10 is 250 centimeter. Now I have all the three sides. Fine, let's calculate the semi-perimeter because we need to find the area. So that's 540 by 2, which is how much? 270 centimeter. Clear? Let's use the formula to calculate the area. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is S also. So 270, let's substitute the value. So 270 minus 250, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 120. Now that's all. So it's 270 into 20 into 100 into, what is this? 150. Now students, how you are going to do it? Let's make pairings. 270 I can write as 30 into 9. Yeah, this is 20 and this is 100. This 150, can I change it in which form I can change so that I get a pair? Yeah, 100 ka pair I already have. Let's make it into 20. Yeah, fine. So when I divide it by 2, what will I get? When I divide it by 2, I'll get another pair if that works over here. So it's basically 15 into 10, which is 3 into 5 into 10. Yeah, it's coming out to be 3 into 5 into 10. So I think I am getting it fine. So because 30 I'm getting over here. Yeah, 30 into 5. So one pair 30 I have. So I'll take that out. Let's keep it over here. Let's solve it over here. So I'll have 30 over here. Then because I got a pair, so I'll write it in pairs. 30 into 30. Fine, this I took together. Then this is 9 and then I have 20 into 5. I can write it as 100 and this is also 100. Yeah, fine students, 20 into 5 is 100. So I have 30 into 30. I have 9 and 100 into 100. So I have pairs. I have 30 as a pair. 9 into 9, 9 is 3 into 3, sorry, so it will be 3 only, and 100. So that's what I got. So how much is this? This is 9,000 centimeter square is the area coming out to be. Got it? Fine. You need to make pairs on your own, so you can decide how you make it. There are different ways of breaking it up. Okay, students? I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the last question of the exercise. Now we have an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, you all know it has two sides equal. Okay. So the equal sides are given to us. The equal sides are given to us in this question. It is saying that perimeter is 30 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter, you all know you have to sum all the three sides. So the two equal sides are 12 and 12 centimeter. You need to find the third side first. So let's add 12 plus 12 plus x is 30. So x is what? 30 minus 24, which is 6 centimeter. So I got the third side as 6 centimeter. Semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter, which is 30 by 2. That's 15 centimeter. Let's use the formula to get the area of the triangle. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Let's substitute the value. S is 15. 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 again. And then 15 minus 6. 15. This is 3. This is again 3. And this is how much? 3 minus 6 is 9. So I think I got the pairs. Root 15 we can't simplify. So 3 pair you have and root 9 is 3. Root 15 will be inside. So the final answer coming out to be here is 9 root 15 units. Let's say it's centimeter only. Let us confirm once more. Centimeter square. Yeah. So the area of triangle is 9 root 15 centimeter square. Hence done. So all the questions from the exercise are done, students. I hope it's all clear to you. Please take care of the units always. Whenever you write the final answer, unit should be there, and area units always in square units. Fine. Any doubt, you can send me a feedback. You can send a comment if there is a mistake or you like it or you do not like it. Fine, students, we have solved all 6 questions of the exercise. Next video, we'll be solving the next exercise, which is 12.2. I hope everything is clear to you, students. Yeah, keep watching the videos and do sending the feedback and like the videos also. Okay, bye-bye.